Hey guys, it's the Service Guru at the Service Shack with another episode of Tips and Tricks. When you watch Top Gun, remember the view from the cockpit where all of the jet's functions were superimposed on the front of the cockpit glass? That's called the heads-up display, or HUD for short. Its function is to allow the pilot to keep their eyes focused on what's in front of them so they're more connected to their environment and what's around them. We've utilized the same technology to allow our ASL operators to operate the Command-SST without taking their eyes off the road, making for a safer operator and a more confident driver. With the optional HUD, the operator merely has to move the vehicle until the card appears between the superimposed guidelines that appear on the HUD. And if you're running the optional Halo-equipped joystick for the ASL, the operator simply needs to press a single button and the Command-SST arm will automatically grab the cart, dump it, and return it where it was found. Simple, right? But it gets even better. If you have an optional Halo foot controller, the operator can engage the cart dump sequence with the press of a simple foot switch. Eyes remain forward and both hands remain on the steering wheel. That's a level of technology that only Heil brings to the table. If you have any questions about the Command-SST or the heads-up display and what it can do for your operation, visit our website at www.heil.com or contact your local Heil dealer. Remember, we're always here to help, and we're all in this together.